Good morning. It is Saturday, October 2nd at about 8:13 a.m. Just wanted to do a quick video to go over positions that I put out last night just after 8 p.m. and also talk about the fear and greed index, which I talked about the other day. Let's first start with that. If you had listened on Thursday morning when I put it out, we were at about 41,100 or so. If you had bought at that extreme greed level, currently you'd be sitting at about almost 11% profit. So congratulations if you took that. And I won't go over it too much, but as you saw, I did show it, the fear and greed index. It has changed dramatically over the last couple of days. It went from a few days of extreme fear. Yesterday it had moved up into fear, and now today it's way up into neutral. So people are neither fearful nor greedy about the price of Bitcoin. But it's always a good thing to look at, because remember good old Warren Buffett's quote, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. That has proven to be absolutely true throughout the history of Bitcoin, as I went over in that when to buy video. So whether you want to, hold it for the long term, when you buy at extreme fear, and then hold it till it's in the greed or the extreme greed zone, which I would recommend selling at that point, when everybody else, what's called the dumb money, is greedy and buying Bitcoin, the smart money is actually selling. And when everybody else is selling out, extremely fearful that it's going to go down, that's when the smart money is accumulating and the dumb money is losing theirs. But so right now, if you had bought that, you're sitting at about 11% profits. Again, if you come in at roughly that level where it's sitting right now, the price right now, a little under 11% profits, you could just expect that you're going to get some bearish price action. I'll go over the Fibonacci level, as I've done many times. If you've been watching, this 0.618, 0.65 level where you hit resistance, we hit resistance right here. Well, we're right at that again, and sure enough, we've had a little bounce back off that, again encountering resistance. So if you wanted to take profits, you certainly could, or you could hold it for the long term. Personally, I took another small long position because I have a strategy, which I'm not going to go through in detail, but I have a strategy that has been profitable over the long term and is proven through backtesting to be profitable. So I will take those trades as they occur, and I've taken one. However, given the fact that we're running currently into heavy resistance levels, we are not officially out of this downtrend quite yet. It appears like it's going to break out of this downtrend, but it may not. Because of that, I'm not going to let my losses drop too far, and that's just my personal strategy. So currently in Ethereum, again, the trade is overnight has just basically stayed where it is. Same thing with Link and Litecoin, same thing. Solana, basically the same thing. They're all kind of just sitting there. And those were all taken last night, which if you saw that video, you can see I did set my Bitcoin price a little lower, and it did fill overnight. So again, just wanted to go over that for you. Don't really have much else to say with this. If you're following along, you're doing really well right now. Congratulations. Have a great day and happy trading.